2025 Kawasaki Eliminator marks a bold return for Kawasaki's iconic cruiser, blending timeless style with modern performance. Its low-slung frame, stretched wheelbase, and minimalist bodywork create a relaxed yet commanding road presence. The Eliminator's sculpted fuel tank, LED lighting, and sleek fenders give it a contemporary edge while staying true to its cruiser heritage. Designed for both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts, it offers approachable ergonomics without sacrificing the bold attitude that makes a cruiser stand out. Powering the Eliminator is Kawasaki's refined parallel twin engine, delivering smooth torque across the rev range. The liquid-cooled design ensures consistent performance. Whether cruising through city streets or taking on open highways, its 6-speed transmission offers responsive gear changes, while the lightweight chassis makes handling confident and agile. Combined with a comfortable seat height and balanced weight distribution, the Eliminator is as easy to maneuver in tight spaces as it is stable at higher speeds. Comfort and rider engagement are at the heart of the 2025 Eliminator. The upright seating position and mid-mounted foot pegs create a natural riding posture, reducing fatigue on longer rides. Modern suspension components, including telescopic forks and twin rear shocks, absorb road imperfections while keeping handling precise. Kawasaki has also tuned the exhaust note to deliver a deep, satisfying rumble that matches the bike's muscular appearance. Technology enhances the Eliminator's appeal without overwhelming its classic character. A fully digital LCD display keeps riders informed with speed, gear position, fuel level, and trip data at a glance. Standard ABS, LED lighting, and optional smartphone connectivity provide modern safety and convenience. With its blend of style, comfort, and performance, the 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator stands as a versatile cruiser built for everyday rides and weekend escapes alike, proving that classic design and modern engineering can ride in perfect harmony.